Have you ever been hurt by someone, and your very first instinct was to lash out, to explain your side, or to demand an apology? We've all been there, but psychologically speaking, giving someone that big, emotional reaction is exactly what validates their behavior. If you really want someone to understand the weight of what they've lost, your words aren't going to do it. Silence will. Today, we're breaking down 5 brutally effective, completely silent behaviors that will make someone deeply regret crossing you. Number 1 is creating an emotional vacuum. When someone hurts you, they subconsciously expect a payoff: anger, sadness, or at least a massive text paragraph. It gives them a sense of power. When you offer absolute zero reaction, you short-circuit their brain. Psychologists call this the extinction burst. They suddenly realize they have zero control over your emotional state. That immediate loss of power is deeply uncomfortable for them, and it shifts the psychological high ground right back to you. Number 2 is unannounced access revocation. Notice I didn't say blocking them and making a massive deal out of it. I mean quietly removing their front row seat to your life. You stop sharing updates, you stop checking in, and you just stop being available. Human beings are wired to value what is scarce. When your presence, your energy, and your attention simply vanish without a grand exit speech, the reality of your absence hits them entirely unguarded. Number 3 is radical self-investment. There is a cognitive bias known as the contrast effect. When the person who hurt you sees that instead of crumbling, you are completely thriving, it creates a jarring contrast in their mind. You aren't doing it for them. You're taking the energy that pain caused and funneling it directly into your health, your finances, or your peace of mind. Your undeniable growth forces them to quietly look at their own stagnation. Number 4, replacing your anger with pure indifference. Anger still communicates that you care. It tells them, you still matter enough to disrupt my peace. Indifference, on the other hand, is the ultimate silent killer of a human ego. When you treat them like a casual acquaintance at the grocery store, polite, brief, and entirely unbothered, it destroys their internal narrative that they had a permanent impact on you. They become invisible, and the ego hates being invisible. And finally, number 5, letting their actions be your closure. We are obsessed with getting the last word or waiting for a final, tearful apology. But the absolute most powerful thing you can do is accept the disrespect as the closure itself. You don't ask for an explanation. You simply observe their behavior, mentally categorize them, and move forward. This silent acceptance is deeply intimidating. It shows a level of emotional maturity and self-respect that makes them realize they completely underestimated you. Silence isn't weakness. It's the loudest, most undeniable boundary you can set. If you're ready to take your power back, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into human psychology. And remember, your peace is your best revenge. See you in the next video.